Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
We want to show you a beautiful figure that you can use when you dance Vals.
If you are ready, let's go right away to the dance floor and let's start working on this.
Okay, here we are at the dance floor. Let's try this slow. So we go side and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, side to next step of resolution.
Yes. So, what are we doing here? The syncopation, of course, in Vals is a little bit different than tango that we're going to show you in a second. But now, try to follow us the concept, the pattern, and we are going to give you tips in a second. Yep. So, here we are. Side step. 1. We walk outside. 2. We walk in front of her. This is for the leaders. So we walk in front of her, not outside. So next step can be without the cruzada and in line. So here we go. Lifting her and changing her body weight. Tack, you change yours and she changes hers. That happens with the rib cage. And back holding. Again, front with the same leg, change body weight, back with the left and hold. We are not changing weight here. Front, change, back, and we can start all over again to the side.
Muy bien. A tip for the followers. We have to create lines.
Yes.
So let's do this again in slow motion. So we do side step, walking with the leader, back. This is the figure with your left, extending. I'm trying to grow taller, lift on toes. I'm not using heels down here. I'm up here to change weight to the right, to go front with the leg first. Let me do this very slow. Be careful, don't go with the head. I'm following the leader with the leg to weight. When I'm waiting here, I go on top of the toes on the left and try to have the right and the back. A little touch to go again. Extending, lifting, change body weight up here. Not bending the knees. And again, follow the leader with your right foot sliding front. Go on top of the toes on the right foot to have the left waiting. And we go again. Extension, extension, front, little touch to go side and finish. So every time we go back, followers, we go up, up, down a little bit. Up, up, down a little bit. Just waiting for him on the front, bending your knees, but growing up to the back part of the step.
Very good. So something that I tend to do, leaders, when we are changing her body weight, which is the most common, the place that we have the most problems. And basically I'm doing two things. 1 and 2, 3, 1, lifting. If I change, nothing tells her that she needs to change. Yeah. So we really need to do two things. I'm moving my rib cage, if you see it on the front, a little bit to the side. Yeah. This will move her center and also she will respond with her hip. Plus another thing that I do, two things, I displace and at the same time I rotate just a tiny bit. That assures me that she will change body weight. And then from there we go back. In order for her not to change, I hold the position. Did you notice that I didn't do this? If I make her face me, chances are that naturally she will tend to change.
You want to go down.
You want to keep this diagonal so she doesn't change by default. Tuck. And then you go unwind what you just did. Front, rib cage and a little rotation to the other side. Can you see that? It's a tuck. And now from here we go back. Back, same tip. Without making her face me like a square. You want to keep the diagonal and bouncing, change, same deal. And then from here, passing my feet together to the side. One thing that is very common in followers and leaders is not having the habit of passing by feet together. It's very nice, especially in Vals, in tango, that you mark the feet together. It is really, really nice. Never go 1, 2 because you are rushing.
Yeah. The same for the followers. When we go back, we have to have the knees together. On the
Yes.
last step going up, I have the knees very, very together, extending. So if you see it from the front, it's this. It's not this, not this. We go there. And then when we go front and we wait for the leader, again, keep your knees together. Be careful here. Keep it this way. Don't do this. Don't open. We close. The toes are facing outside, but knees together to extend the leg and go up again. So very important to have upper legs together, heels together, but toes facing a little bit outside, not here, not here, there, the most you can.
So now we're going to try to do it with a little more rhythm from the other side. Try to follow us. And this is where, if you can, if you are nice enough, put a like on the video. This will really help us to keep growing
Share
the
with
channel.
friends if you're enjoying it. Show your friends what you are learning.
Yes. Thank you for your support. And now we'll try to do it with a little bit of dynamic. Before we continue with the second part of this video, we would like to invite you to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
This is an awesome online tango school where you can see a lot of videos, a lot of technique, a lot of topics, all you need.
You have the option to have downloadable videos or also watch all of them as part of our Tango membership.
Once again, the website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Now, let's continue with the second part. Now, here with the music, we are going to do 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3.
Actually, it was Leo singing. That's the music we're using.
Yes, so basically, let us do it from the other side one more time. And did you notice that I'm doing 1 and 2, 1 and 2? This is the syncopation that we have in Vals. It's a little rushed. In tango, it's different. It's 1 and 2 in tango. This is different. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, whoop-pum, pum, whoop-pum, pum, whoop-pum, pum, side, together.
Very nice. Followers, remember we are syncopating when we go back. So don't wait too much to lift and go to the back step. So if we do this again with the rhythm, for the followers, we are doing side, back, back, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and side together.
Very nice. So, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being here until the end of the video. We really appreciate it.